Welcome back to the Universe of TechUp. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to set up ReactJS environment. First, here in this video, how to set up ReactJS environment. First, we need to install VS Code, Visual Studio Code through Chrome. Install latest version. I have already. Next, I download Node.js. Download and install the Node.js nodejs.org/en. This is the link for download the Node.js. This is the click on this button. This button here is the download. I have already Node.js. So what I need to do is open Visual Studio Code, open folder. I have opened one folder. Open terminal, new terminal. Here in this I need to verify the installation by running these commands node -v and npm-v. The node -v version is the Visual Studio version v18. Node version is v18.20.5 and npm version is 10.9.2. The next one is we have already a Visual Studio Code. Next, we need to set up a React environment. There are two ways to create a React application. Another one is using a wide and faster alternative method. The first method is using a create React app. Like in this tutorial, in the video, we will use a create React app CRA method. Here in this, we need to open one folder in this and run the command like npx create react app, npx create react my app. This is the command npx create -react -app. My app is the folder name. Whatever you want, you give it. The project one, something like. And then I need to click this. Next, enter. It create the React app. This is the installing all the packages and templates. React router DOMs takes a time to installation. Installing all the packages and all those things, it takes times. directory, project directory. In this project directory, we have source. Like this is our app.js. I need to run this app. It takes time. So it's showing here. So we need to install web vitals. First, we need to check the web vitals are installed or not. Here, here is the command npm list web vitals. We need to click enter this. It's showing a empty, right? So we need to install web vitals. So next I need to update the npm. This is the command. This is the React app. This is all about how to uh, set up React environment. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.